Okay, hi guys, welcome to the next part. Daniel here, and I'm going to show you our back-end email flow that takes your customers, these cold new leads, from cold to warm and hot and buying from your business. Right before I get into that, one thing that confused me is how do I actually get my leads off of Facebook after I've paid all this money to get them, and it's kind of a little confusing, but this is how you do it. So it's real simple. You just go to your actual Facebook page, not the ads manager. Click this More button right here. Click Publishing Tools. Alright. And then down here, once this loads, you're going to scroll down here to Lead Ads Forms, and you can click your form library right here, and this is going to show your actual lead forms. And then you can go here and you can see how I have all these leads in here, and you can click Download, and that will download your leads manually to a CSV folder, which then you could input in your CRM software, your email software, whatever you like. So this is actually where you go and extract those leads off of Facebook once you've paid and gotten them. So here's our here's our back end flow. Now, if you have a good CRM, I don't know about other ones, but our one, Klaviyo, it has a setting when you make a list where you can actually sync it with a Facebook lead ad, and it'll auto sync the leads. You want to have some sort of auto syncing mechanism, whether it be natively in the CRM or perhaps with like Zapier or some other kind of linking software that will automatically, as soon as somebody signs up on Facebook, they're put into your email flow, and then they're sent the drip emails. Okay. So right after somebody is sent this, immediately we have our thank you for signing up email. So you got your subject line, thank you for signing up. We can go and preview this real quick. And then while I'm going through these, feel free to take screenshots or whatever you like to save this information, or you can come back to the video later. And so, hi, this is Ron Kochanowicz. He's the owner of the company. I want to take a second to say welcome, thank you, if you haven't already, basically just like telling them, what the brand is about, giving them a nice friendly face, and then, set the expectations. We'll be sending you a few more follow-up emails about the giveaway. When the giveaway ends, we'll notify the winner directly via email and announce the winner on our Facebook and YouTube. So, follow and subscribe to get notified. So this is going to plug your other traffic channels and, get them to go and sign up. If I had to redo this, I would probably put buttons here, like a Facebook and a YouTube button, and so they can go and subscribe on those channels. So going back here, I wait a few hours, okay? Then I send them another email. Now this is going to be the secret sauce, okay? So this is the only other piece of content that we really should advertise to, and it is a piece of content that is a guide on how to get into our niche. So it's kind of a specific. We have a a sub niche in a niche, and it's kind of a complicated thing. So people like guides. They don't know exactly about it. But it's a really good tutorial, guide that sends them to our product. And this is available on our website, bridgecomsystems.com, for you to go and download it and hack it. But this is like, do you want to learn how to get on DMR in 3 easy steps, right? The product they just signed up to get is a DMR product. They may not be on DMR, so they're going to be like, okay, yeah, absolutely. So they're going to click this, all right, 3-step guide, just real simple, real short. And this is going to send them to another landing page where they can actually opt in again and download this guide. And this guide is basically a very helpful but effective sales letter that gives the customer information, but then sends them back to our products to buy things. And this is how the customer goes from a cold customer to now a warm customer and then a hot customer through this guide. So if you don't have something like this, that's fine. The giveaway by itself will do. You don't need a guide necessarily. You can send people just straight to your product page, or come up with some kind of email sequence like I'm showing you here to do the same thing. And this has proven extremely effective at converting new customers from cold leads. So that email right there is, if you could only have one thing, I would make a piece of content like that. Again, this is real short. We only have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 emails in this whole flow, and yours can be shorter or longer, however you like. It doesn't have to be very long. This is just what we've built so far. Obviously everything takes time to build, so just start with whatever you have and add on to it. Here we go. Don't let DMR scare you. Again, our products are complicated. they're not like scary. They're just scary as it requires some work. I can preview this one here. So again, we send them some more content. Here's a cool video how to do something that's integral to our niche. And we have a resource, for them to download the very thing we're going to teach them how to build, and they can download a pre-made one. Tell them we're always making new content. We're always adding value to their lives. Just giving them reasons to engage with the brand and stay subscribed and be like, oh, these guys aren't, like the other dealers. These guys are not like everybody else. They want to help me. They want to give me stuff. These look like a bunch of cool people. I might want to buy from them, right? So you're planting these seeds in their minds. Of course, we always have, somebody signing off on it. We have, our contact information if they want to call us. Now, your business could be different. You may not want them to call you. Just structure it however your business is structured. So going forth, we tell them, oh wait, we forgot this one. So we'll preview this one real quick. Yeah, okay, so this is a cool one. So this is like sending them, so they sign up to get this product, and then we're basically tell them, hey, you signed up to get it. What if you just went ahead and like bought it or checked it out? Not even just buying it, but just go and learn more about it. So we have a link to the product page. This is just a product page on Shopify. I'll probably put a link to the Shopify. You can go sign up there. That's the platform that we use to run our business through, and it's a very awesome platform to run your business through. Okay, going down here, we sell more than just HTs. HTs are like handheld radios. And we can go look at this one. You can take a screenshot. And this is just telling them about some of the other stuff we sell. So this is like before they even have necessarily bought anything, we're already cross-selling them and upselling them to different products that they may be interested in if they're not already interested in the product we try to sell them first. Okay, and then this is just kind of a closer out of the flow. Just to let you know, entry to the giveaway is confirmed. This will probably be the last time I'll be emailing you until the giveaway ends. Don't forget to share. Okay, so this is kind of for our other, we do usually run the giveaways on Gleam, and we'll actually put people in the Gleam flow as soon as at the end of it. But this wouldn't necessarily apply if they on a Facebook, so you could change this for your Facebook one. But this is typically if they share it, they'll get more entries. Again, just telling them, reminding them to keep track of all their social media and keep engaging with the brand, basically. And that's our flow. And this is just automated, totally automated. Once you set this all up, you can basically just set it and forget it. Your Facebook ad runs automatically. Your email flow runs automatically. Your Shopify store processes sales automatically. And you can sit back and drink pina coladas on the beach if you want. So this is a super great way to do this. Now I'm just going to real quick show you right now our giveaway and how it's out running. Alright, so here's a little taste of what this can look like as you get really good at this. This is probably the, 12th, 15th giveaway I've run a lot of these so far. But as I've gotten really refined, we just started this. Here's the time period, the 24th to the 26th. So today is the 26th of January as I'm recording this, and as you can see here, this is how much we've spent. We've already generated back $200, so half of what we spent. And this is like day 3 of the ad, and we've already generated 935 new leads. It's actually higher than that. Facebook lags a little bit in their settings, but we've actually generated over 1,000 at this point new leads, and I can know that because I can look at my email CRM and see how many are in there. But that's just crazy. So remember, the last giveaway we generated an entire total over the 30-day period of almost about 4,000, okay, just under 4,000 leads, and then in 3 days, less than 3 days, we've already generated almost a fourth of that. So if this trajectory keeps up, we're going to be doing way better, and our budget has only increased a little bit. We've gone from about $100 a day to now $150, and I've just jacked it up today to $175. And as you can see here, we're getting our leads for 45 cents per lead on Facebook ads. So people that tell you, Facebook ads is unprofitable, can't make any money, the leads are too much, just check this out and go prove them wrong, because the leads are pretty cheap. They're not that expensive. Frequency's pretty good, 1.5. So just super good. You can check out your video plays and see how many people are actually engaging in your video, and this is actually pretty good. As you can see, about 75% is almost directly correlated with our results. So just a little taste of what you could be getting if you implement this process. And I'll probably put an update at the end of the 30 days. But if you like this, please, this is about it for this content. If you want any more or you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. I will answer them and I can make subsequent videos. If you like this, please subscribe. Please hit the like button below and comment any questions you have. I would really appreciate it if you did that so I can keep adding more value to your life. I don't have a course. I don't have anything. I just want to give you the straight value. So if you like this, please drop a like again. Again, this is Daniel, and I will see you in the next chapter.